This video is just for the small businesses out there. Medical device companies come to us all the time, and we work mostly with small businesses, and money is always an issue. Do we have enough for this? What is the cost of this? And one of the ways to get some funding that doesn't dilute out your investment in the company is grant money. So traditionally, a lot of people would start research projects with SBIR grants, and then they commercialize with STTR grants. So it's small business research and small business technology transfer, STTR grants. And that program was in jeopardy for a while, and it is back and it is refunded. The reason why I know, I checked my emails. So here we go. Boom. Come on, share. When I look through my emails, I do a little search for small business, because this time of year I'm looking for what are the small business changes that are happening with the FDA. But this email came to me from the NIH. The small business program from NIH is back, and they talk about the SBIR and STTR. And one of the things that you can put in there is regulatory submissions. They can fund that as part of the grants. So we have a lot of times where companies that are applying for small business grants, they ask me to fill out a bio sketch and write a letter of support. And that's something that we do. We have an account and we have a bio sketch that is available. So it's a fairly quick process for me to help you out in getting some grant money for SBIRs. I can't write the grant, but we do work with some grant writers that have been successful in the past. And hopefully we can help you with an SBIR or STTR grant and help you get some non-dilutive funding to get your new product off the ground.